welcome back to my channel. So today I recorded this olive eye look. If you'd like to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So I already went in with my wet concealer base my eyes. I already put my tape on. Next thing I'm going to do is go into my Jaclyn Hill palette. And this is what it looks like inside. It has 35 colors. So I'm going to go into Creamsicle and into Pucky, which is this row, this first color, and the fourth color, and start putting that into my crease for the base. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pick up Jada, and we're going to set that in the middle of our crease. So just make sure that you are blending the colors down toward the end of the tape. That way when we take the tape off, there's that nice colored line that we're going for. Just to give it a little more smokiness, a little more darkness, we're going to go in and grab Chip, and it's like a dark purpley brown color, and we're just going to put that in the V of our eye, just a tad bit. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get some concealer, go into my lid, and place it on my lid. That way when I put my green color on my lid, it's more pigmented and it stands out more than any of the other colors. Go back into my overcase just like my last video, and we're going to be using this green color right here. Again, I don't know the name of it because it is a single shadow, but I will have it listed in the description box below if you guys are wanting to purchase. And I'm just going to get my brush wet. That way when it sticks, it's more pigmented and it sticks to the base a lot better. As you can already see, it's so pigmented, and the color is not this pigmented without the wetness of the brush and the concealer. So the concealer and the wetness of your brush really takes your eyeshadow to a whole different level. So I went ahead and put some mascara on. So the next thing I'm going to do is place my lashes. I'm going to do this off camera. I'm still going to go in the Lily lashes in the style Miami, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and applied my lashes off camera. I also applied my under eye concealer as well as some bronzer. So my eyes are a little swollen, like as you can tell right here, and it's really red here. I just woke up with my eyes like so swollen this morning. I'm not sure why. So if you do see a little puffiness, my eyes are really swollen. I'm so sorry about that. Next thing I'm going to do is go into my Mellow Blush. This is like one of my favorite blushes ever. I did break it. The top really comes off so easily. But this is by Mellow Products, and it is in the color Bronze, and it's Bronze Face Blush. So I'm going to go into my Spun translucent powder and set the bronzer as well as the blush. So while that powder is setting, we're going to go into the under eye and work it out, bring it smokier. You don't have to do it smoky, you can do it lighter, whatever works for you. I'm going to use that same green color on my lid and get some orange as well, and then put that on the bottom of my eye. I'm going to take some mascara and go into my lower eyelashes. So now we're going to be going into the iconic London Illuminator highlighter drops, and I'm going to be placing this on my cheeks. So remember, I don't ever drop it on my face. I just put 3 little dots, and then I blend it out with my finger and then go into my beauty blender. Just to set this liquid lighter, I'm going to go into some Becca highlighter in the color Champagne Pop and place it right on top. So onto lips, I'm going to go with Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Stripped and the Kiss lip color in the color Roasted Coffee. So now since the lips are done, we're going to go into the iconic London Pepper Set and Glow, and we're just going to set our face. It's like heaven in my ears, literally. And that completes my olive eye look for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up below. Do not forget to comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell at the top of the video so whenever I post, you will be the first to know. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.